Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool part right here. As you can see, it is pretty much a helmet that's by a brand called Giro, and pretty much what it is a snow helmet that you can use for snowboarding and skiing and whatever the case may be. And this one in particular costs around $65, but this is what the packaging looks like when you first get it. So if you guys are not home to actually receive it, or you guys want to send it to the office or something, then you guys know how big the package is. First thing first, let's actually open up and show you guys what it looks like first, and then put it on and see how it looks like. So the way you open this is by pulling it out like this. And there's actually a lot of cushioning on the actual box itself to protect the helmet. So as you can see, there's like cushion and cushion on each side. So it looks like a regular helmet for like going to biking and whatever case may be, but it actually isn't. It's for going to snowboarding and skiing. And then they provide you like a warranty or like an instruction guide on how to use the product. And then here's what the product actually looks like. So you guys can see, that's the front, that's the side, that's the back. So this part right here is where you guys will actually put in your snow goggles or your goggles to attach it onto here, and you can actually put it on. And if you guys look on this side, we have the little logo right here. If you focus, Giro. So that's pretty much the brand name. And if you guys look in the inside, it actually looks pretty nice and decent. So that's the material, or that's what it looks like inside. It has a lot of cushioning inside, and there's a lot of protection on the part right here. On both ends, you guys have like a ear protector, like an ear muff to kind of like keep you warm and protect you when you actually are in the snow. Because for those guys who go snowboarding or skiing, you guys know it's really cold, and having this product actually keeps you really warm. So first thing first, let me actually put it on and show you guys what it looks like first. So this is what it looks like when you actually put it on. Make sure your ears are fine. So make sure it's keeping warm, protect your head and everything. So if it's too tight, make sure it's loosened up a little bit, but you guys want to make sure it fits just right to the point where you can actually attach this part. So, alright, so it's attached now. As you can see, it fits really nice. It has like a kind of like a noise isolation kind of like padding right here where you can actually hear your surroundings as much, but this is what it looks like. So this is the side, this is the front, this is the other side, and this is the back. So overall, it actually feels really nice. It's actually really comfortable, first of all. And the look of it, I actually like it a lot because it's all white, so you get that clean look design. But if you guys are worried about it getting dirty, then you guys can get other color options. Because there's probably like, if I remember correctly, there's a blue option, and there's a black option, there's a white option. I personally like the white one more than any other one because it kind of shows how you are as a person, of how well you keep your things clean. So the only way for us to actually find out whether or not this product is actually worth it or not is to actually go test it out. So I'm gonna actually do an update video to test it out and let you guys know how it's been and whether or not it's actually worth it and how well it actually protects you and everything and all that good stuff. But as of right now, as a first-hand perspective of actually putting it on and testing it out and everything, I do feel pretty safe about this. Like, I don't actually feel anything, and it actually feels really protective. So pretty much now to answer the question of whether or not this product is actually worth it though. This product goes for around $65, but I believe they have a sale right now for I believe like $49 or $45. But regardless, even for $65, I still have to say that this product would be worth it, because any helmet would be really worth it, because you guys always got to remember safety first regardless of what you guys are doing. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing and testing and feedback on the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have